Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the snowstorm that we had. It's all ice now. It's sad. Ew! Yellow snow. By the way, guys, here's the tip of the day. Never eat yellow snow. Good job. You just be like, hey, Mommy, I found some lemon snow out on the ground in our dog yard. Honey? Yes, Mother? It's like your child walks up to you. It's like, hey, Mama, I found some lemon snow in outside in our dog yard, and just shows her the big puddle, and she's like, honey, we need to take it up to the hospital. And the little kid's like, why, Mommy? It's just yellow snow. Well, honey, you just ate pee. Dog pee, to be exact. Ew! But the roads here are slick. There's ice. There's water. Our thing is frozen. And guys, look at this. I can make this beautiful. Okay, I'm doing this to get back better conditions. I'm going down to the creek.
Hey. Since the office closed at noon today, we got paid for the whole day. You know, we don't have to go home.
My poor chickens. They had to be cooped up all day in here to stay warm. And there's a whole bunch of them in the back there, but it's dark because our light up there burnt out. Now let's go see the creek before I can't record anymore, and I'll have to make part 3. Look at all this, guys. Oh my God, I am so happy. There's so much ice. I wish it was all snow though, because I'd be very happy about this. Even like the slightest, like if I got this much off the ground of snow, I would be happy. And even if it's scattered around like this, I'd be happy. But no, it had to be cold enough to where it freezes to ice. Yay! And I can't be down here for long because we have a neighbor who is a bulldog and seems very, very, very aggressive. She almost jumped in my Nana's car. Or at least I think she. But I also have to get out of here before it starts raining or snowing again. Oh. We've got puddles, but I'm sure they ain't puddles. At least part of them still have ice. Nope, that's water. That's water, that's water, that's water. But it looks so still. Oh God, everybody, just look at this. Look at this. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's our tractor. Surprisingly, the creek is still running. Well, isn't that amazing to find out? Let's go. I gotta run. I gotta run. It's getting cold. Oh my God, guys. Look at this guy. Oh my God. And actually, some of this is partially snow. We should throw them together. There's your trampoline. Our trailer. Our playhouse we never go in. Reason for this? There's probably a wasp or bee nest in there now. And spiders. And probably maybe a snake. I didn't know. But we never go in there anymore anyway, so it's fine. Phew! my lady. Ooh, it is cold. And I'm doing this for you guys. So be happy, children or adults or whatever. Anyway, guys, I need you to like, comment, subscribe so I can tell you more about how days are going, like what's happening and stuff, and tell me if I should do something like LPS videos or something. But hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Have a good life. May God bless you all. Goodbye.